Hi. I assume you've been doing lots of practicing, walking backwards and forwards, opening your crafting table that you've created using the E, and making the swords and the pickaxe and all the other different, the shovel and all the wooden instruments that you can do. Now, what we want to do, and then we've got a little bit of wood left over here. We might get some more on the way. But what we're going to do is look for some stone. And I think there's some stone over here. Now, if we try to cut the stone with the crafting table, we're not going to get very far, of course. And if we try the wooden hoe, yeah, we can break it up. But you see no stone appears down the end. So what we need to do is we have to scroll along to the wooden pickaxe. And you can see, oops, we were a little bit distant, but we just moved close, and it sells advancement made. We're in the Stone Age and new recipes. Isn't that great? So let's pick up a bit of stone here, move a bit closer. So look, see, we've got 4 stone blocks. So much easier when you've got a pickaxe, isn't it? That's what pickaxes are for, chopping up stone. Move closer so you can pick it up. Ooh. That's really cool. We picked all those blocks up. We've now got 12. Now, if we go to 1 and we put down our crafting table, and then open it up, we can see we can make all these stone tools. The wooden ones we can still make, but look, there's a stone sword we can make. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So we grab that down. We move some of our other things that we don't need right now. And what else can we do? We can do another stone. We need a few other stone things. What else is there? I know what we need. We need some... We need some more rods. So we need plenty of sticks there. And what else can we make? Oh, we definitely need a stone pick. That's really important. And a stone shovel. Ah, isn't it great, all these tools we've now got? What was that? Stone hoe. And these ones are just so much stronger now that we've got our stone. And see, advancement made, getting an upgrade. Isn't that wonderful? So that's where we are at the moment. So see you next time to show you more things.